In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust screen size in OBS Studio quickly and easily. This process should take about 5 minutes, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to customize your OBS screen layout to fit your exact needs. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the OBS Studio app. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download and install it from the official website. Once OBS Studio is open, you'll see the main interface, which can initially seem a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to simplify things for you. Now, the next step is to select the source that you want to resize. In OBS Studio, sources can be anything from your webcam, screen capture, or an image slideshow. You'll find these under the Sources box in the main workspace area. Click to highlight or single out the source you want to modify. Once you've selected your source, to proceed further, you'll need to right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. Don't be intimidated by the variety of choices available here. They're designed to give you flexibility and control over your stream's appearance. Within this context menu, look for the Transform option. Clicking on Transform will open a sub-menu. Here you'll have options to rotate, flip, reset, and most importantly for our purpose today, edit the screen size. Click on Edit Transform. This action will open a new window with fields that allow you to manually adjust the size and position of your source. You can change parameters like position, size, crop, and rotation. For resizing, you'll primarily want to focus on the width and height dimensions to ensure your content fits exactly as intended. Adjust these until you're satisfied with how your stream looks. Additionally, you can always make adjustments on the fly by clicking and dragging the corners of your source directly on the preview screen. This is a more visual method and can be especially useful if you prefer to make adjustments based on what looks right to you, rather than specific numerical values. Remember, the key to mastering OBS Studio is experimentation and practice. If it doesn't look perfect the first time, don't fret. You can easily revert any changes and try again. OBS is a powerful tool that offers a wide range of functionalities, and as you become more comfortable with it, adjusting screen sizes will become second nature. That's it. You've now learned how to adjust the screen size in OBS Studio. Whether you're streaming, recording, or setting up a scene for a presentation, these steps will help you ensure that your content displays just how you want it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Happy streaming!